What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Brandy and you're watching the Glam Belle, and today we are doing something so fun. I'm going to be adding highlights to my hair. I know it sounds kind of scary to be doing highlights from home, but I have something so cool and innovative for you that you can do right in the comfort of your own home. We're going to be using the new Madison Reed two-step highlighting balayage kit. It's so easy. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it step by step, how I got these beautiful highlights and dimension to my hair. I love having at least some dimension in my hair because with curly hair, it really makes our curls pop. So I was super excited to find out about this new kit from Madison Reed because if you watch my channel, then you know I love Madison Reed hair color. It's what I touch up my roots with, what I cover my gray hair with. To start off with, I did already have a few Pintura highlights throughout my hair, basically balayage highlights throughout my hair. I had gotten a partial highlight done. It's been almost a year ago, so they were pretty much grown out. I'm going to show you a picture of exactly what the highlights looked before I used this kit.
I thought it would be helpful to show you the before and after in natural sunlight so that you can really see the difference in the color.
If you guys are looking to do highlights from home or balayage from home, then this is going to be the kit for you. I'm going to show you everything that comes in your kit, and I'm going to show you the step-by-step process so that you can do this in the comfort of your own home too. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button down there and join the Glam Fam here on YouTube. We are almost at 50K and I'm so excited, you guys. And yeah, without further ado, we're just going to jump right on into this video.
Alright, so to start off, we are going to go over everything that comes in this Madison Reed highlighting kit. And I also want to give a huge shout out to Madison Reed, who is sponsoring today's video. First, when you open up your box, you're going to see some little pamphlets, and this is going to be your instructions on exactly how to do your highlights. It also comes with this wishbone applicator tool, along with the lightening activator and the lightening cream, which you will mix together. Also comes with a bond building cleansing treatment and a cleansing wipe. And of course, you'll need gloves to protect your hands. Now on the opposite side, you're going to find the toning glaze and the toning glaze activator. You're also going to find shampoo and conditioner, as well as more gloves and a cap for the toner. And then they also sent me this box of the Lightworks Bond Building Cleansing Treatment. Now for the fun part, we are going to get started on coloring our hair. First, you want to make sure that you have on something that you don't care if you get hair color or bleach on, and of course read through all of the instructions first. Now I will definitely suggest doing a strand test if you've never used bleach or color on your hair. It's always good to do a strand test, but I like to live on the edge, so I'm just going right in and I'm going to start separating out my hair. So I split it in half, and then basically what you're going to do, you're going to section it off from your ear straight back to the back of your head. So you're going to have basically two pretty thick sections on each side of your head and then a smaller section, and you just want to clip everything away into the sections. Make sure that you use a plastic clip and not a metal clip for this process. As you can see, this is what the back looks like. I definitely did not do my section straight, but that's okay. We're going to roll with it. It's all good. So I'm going to let down one section, and you are going to create basically a diagonal section right here. I just took my finger and went straight down over my ear. And then to start this off, first I should have already put on the gloves, but you'll see me put on the gloves in a second. You're going to mix the lightening activator with the lightening cream. Part of the awesomeness of this Madison Reed kit is that it is a cream bleach. You don't have to fool around with messy powders, which is really amazing. And I forgot to mention, you are going to shake up that bottle for 60 seconds before starting this application. So basically, you're going to take this cool little Wish tool applicator and you're going to put some of the bleach on that applicator. You're going to take your section of hair and you're going to start at least 2 inches away from the root of your hair, and you're going to slide the wishbone tool down through the bottom of your hair. And to make sure that you're getting enough, you really do kind of want to see that white type of product laying on the hair. That way you know you're definitely getting enough lightening product to really make a difference. And one thing to take note of is that you are going to switch from right to left. You're not going to do one whole section and then go to the opposite side of your head. You're going to do one section on the right side, one section on the left side, one section on the right, and then the left, and so on and so forth until you've done all of your sections. That way the bleach has the same amount of time to process on each side, if that makes sense. And as you go up a little bit further, you're going to see the sections are going to get a little bit thicker, and you can split those in half and apply it in 2 sections if you would like. But as you can see, I'm just doing the same exact thing on either side, going in diagonal sections. And I think I did maybe 4 or 5 sections on each side. And I was using the product very sparingly because I knew personally I didn't want to have too many highlights. I just wanted them kind of scattered throughout, but I definitely wanted more in the front of my hair. And you'll see me go back towards the end and kind of focus some of the product right on the front of the hair. And right here, you can see exactly what I was talking about. I'm doing 2 passes with the lightening product instead of just 1 because that section is so large. And again, just going back and forth. The cool thing about this product is that you really get to gauge exactly where you want your highlights to be. You can kind of place them wherever you want them. And you can also turn the applicator tool sideways when you get towards the bottom to really saturate the bottom of the hair. I personally just wanted more piecey highlights throughout instead of like a full balayage at the bottom, but you can do it however you feel like doing it. So you really have control over where and how you're going to put those highlights in, and that is what I really love about this product. The wishbone tool makes the application process a lot easier, and I felt like it was pretty foolproof if you ask me. And I also love that this product is ammonia free. It has a very low chemical profile, so it's not going to be as harsh on your hair as a lot of other color and bleach products that you can find on the market. Now I'm starting to do the back, and what I personally did, this might not be the exact way you're supposed to do it, but I just split it in half and then took a bigger section and then did it sideways. Instead of going straight down like I did on the sides, I actually did it sideways because it just made it a little bit easier for me to apply it. And I also started in the back lower than what I did on the side. So I'm starting it a little bit lower down on the hair, probably starting about mid shaft or a little bit lower, and kind of focusing it more towards the end and not so much at the top. Once you're done, you're going to let this process for at least 25 minutes. And then if you find that it's still not light enough, you can add 5-minute increments at a time to make sure that you get the exact color that you are looking for. So here it's been 25 minutes, and I'm just going to take some of that product off of one of the strands of hair to see how much my color has been lifted. And to me, it looked like it wasn't quite lifted enough, so I applied a little bit more bleach to that section, and I added 5 extra minutes. Now it was time for the bond building cleansing treatment, and you basically just put this all over your head, lather it up, leave it on for 3 minutes, and it helps to strengthen your hair after any type of bleach. And then you are ready to tone. And I love that this kit comes with a toner just like the salon to make sure that you don't have any of that brassiness in your hair. Here I wanted to show you before I put on the toner the highlights that you can see coming through. Obviously my hair is wet, so it's harder to see, but now we're going to mix the toner. So you're going to mix these 2 products together, and you are going to shake it up for 30 seconds and just saturate all of your hair with it, making sure that you get every single section. And this is just going to take away any brassiness and just bring your color to life. The cost of this kit starts at $35.95, but of course, you guys, I have a promo code for you. So if you're interested in seeing what this kit is all about and possibly purchasing, make sure to use the promo code in the description box for a few bucks off. It's super easy to figure out exactly what you need for your hair and to get the outcome you're looking for. You just go to the Madison Reed website, which I'll have linked below as well, and you'll take the quiz, and they will literally tell you exactly what you need to get amazing results at home. Once you've saturated your hair with that toner, you're going to go ahead and place a cap over it, which comes with the kit, of course, and you're going to set a timer for 20 minutes. This is where I kind of cleaned up around my hairline, made sure that I didn't have any additional product dripping down my neck or anything. And after 20 minutes, you are going to go ahead and wash and condition your hair with the conditioner and shampoo that comes in the kit, and then you can go ahead and style your hair. I will leave a link to my complete curly hair styling video, but these are the products that I used today from InnerSense Organic Beauty. And here are my final results. I am in love with the dimension that I was able to achieve. I love that I was able to kind of place these highlights where I wanted them. It came out exactly like I envisioned. The color of the highlights came out exactly like I wanted it, this nice, beautiful caramel color. And yeah, I am just so pleased with this. It took me about an hour from start to finish to do this whole process. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what you think about my highlights. And of course, if you decide to try this on your own, definitely let me know. I love you guys so much. Thank you for stopping by my channel, and I will catch you in my next video. Peace out.